Yes, bro, fine.
So yesterday we learned about the operators, right? Yesterday we learned about the operators. So anyone have any doubt there in of any operator? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt in operators?
No,
Fine,
sir.
fine, bro.
Okay.
Oh, we are good, sir.
Okay. So yesterday I taught you I told you means I will tell you all the things. What is the public? What is the void? Right? And then main. What is this? All the things I means I told you I will tell you tomorrow like that. Right. But before telling these things, all things like what is public, what is static, this is the methods only, right? This is the method. But before that, we have to learn that what is meant by method, how method will work. Right? What is this public? Public are the keyword, right? Public are the keywords. Keywords you know that it is a special type of word which having some specific task, right? It is here the public is a access modifier also. Class is a keyword here. Keyword means it is you means it has some specific task. Means class means with the help of class keyword we can create a class. Right? With the help of class keyword we can create a class. Suppose if you want to create a class, can we create with the help of new keyword? No, right? New keyword is used to create an object. Today we will learn about that one, that thing only. Okay. So before doing this, all the things like public, static, what is the static method and all. Before that, we will learn about the normal method. Okay. Before that, we will learn about the normal method means how normal method will work, how static method will call. We will see all the things right inside in the parenthesis. We are writing this all the things. So what should be called to these things? Okay. So we will learn this all things and after that I will tell you what are all the things present here, like what is the public, what are the static methods, why we are writing here inside the main method, why we are writing the static, why we are writing the main. I will tell you after. Okay, so today we will learn first, that is the what is method. Okay, that is fine for you, no?
Okay, go on, bro.
Okay, so today we will learn about the methods. Okay, my screen is visible, no?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay, okay. So
Yes,
today we will
Tanmay.
learn about the method declaration. So how we will write method, how what is the syntax of our method. So first we will write a access specifier. We have a four types of access specifier. That is the public, private, protected, and default. What are they means? Why we are using public? Why we are using protected? Why we are using the defaults and all? We'll see later. Okay. Before that, you have to remember these things only. How the syntax of the methods will look like. So this is the syntax of our method. First, we will write the access specifier. Then we will write the return type. Then we will write method name. After that, we will write parenthesis. Parenthesis means nothing but this round braces, like round brace open and round brace close. And you know that why we are writing curly braces open and curly braces close, right? Curly braces open means this is the open gate, right? We can say that this is a entry gate and this is a exit gate. From here our method will start and here our method will end. Same like a class. If I show you the class example also, so from here our class is start and here our class will end. Same like that, our method will start from here and our method will end here. Okay, this is the use of our curly braces. Okay. From here our method will start, here our method will be end. And this is the syntax of our method. If we compare this syntax with the main method also, so same thing, syntax is here also. But here we are using only the static keyword. Why we are using the static keyword and all, we will see later. Because static is also one type of method. Static method is a one type of method. And why we are using static and all, I will tell you later. Okay. But before that, we will see first we are writing the access specifier. See here inside the main method also they have mentioned one access specifier, that is the public. Right. After that, return type. And here they have wrote the static. Okay. So if we remove this one, see, if I remove this one also, so this is a normal method. The first is the access modifier, then return type, and then method name. So what it means, whatever name we want to give to the method name, we can give it. Okay. So here is the void. Sometimes we can write here integer also. Sometimes we will write here string also. So I will tell you after that means how means what happens if I write integer here. What happens if I write void here? What happens if I write string here? I will tell you later. Okay. Now we will try to create a method first. Okay, we'll simply see how to create a method. So I will come here, I will create a method. Okay, so first thing we have to write is the access specifier. So simply we will come here and I will write here, that is the public. Public is our access specifier. You can write anything like You can write public also, you can write protected or private, or if you are not writing anything, means it is considered as a default. Okay, it is considered as the default. So I'm writing this time as a public. After that, what is the next thing? That is the return type. Okay, that is the return type we have to write. Here we have an integer, but we can write anything. Suppose I don't want to return anything, that time we will write the void. Void means nothing, not empty also. Okay, void means nothing, not the empty also. Now I don't want to return anything from my method. That's why I'm writing here the void. After that, we will see, we will try to write integer here, and what will be happen, we will see later. Okay, now we will try with the void. So void means nothing, it will not return anything, like not the empty also. Okay, after that, what is the another thing? Is the method name. Method name we can write anything. Suppose I am writing here the demo, and always remember that you have to start the method name with the small letter. Okay, naming convention is suggesting that if you write a capital letter also here, nothing will happen, but naming convention suggesting that you have to write the capital small letter. You have to start the method name with the small letter. That's why I'm writing here the small d, demo as a small d. Okay, after that, what we need to write, we wrote that is the access modifier, access specifier we done. Return type also we have write. After that, method name also we have write.
Bro, sorry to interrupt.
Hello? Yes, bro.
Sorry to interrupt. Like, can you tell me where are the naming conventions? Like, where should we apply and where should we not? First.
In the means while telling the variables, he didn't tell you anything.
No, bro. He didn't
Okay,
talk about these things.
okay. I will tell you. Okay, after that I will tell you. First, I have to tell this methods and all. No? Okay. Hello.
Fine, fine, bro.
Okay, bro. Okay. So what we wrote till now, that is the access modifier, then return type, and then we have wrote here the method name. That is the demo. After that, what we need to write? Simply parenthesis. Parenthesis means nothing but the this one. That is the round brace open and the round braces close. So we will write here parenthesis open and parenthesis close. You can means you can say that is round brace open and round brace close also. Okay. Now our method is created. Okay, if you want to write anything here, you can write, but we will see after how, means what happen if you write anything here, why, what we call to them, and what happen if we write anything inside the parenthesis. Okay, so simply first we will see simple thing. After that, we will try to write anything here. Okay, now we have created successfully method. First we have write the access specifier, then return type we wrote, then we wrote the here method. Okay, now in here we can write anything. Suppose I am writing here system.out.println. Everyone will knows that, like, why we are writing system.out.println, to print anything on the console. Okay. So simply I am writing here hello. Okay, inside the method what I am writing is the system.out.println and hello. And always remember that when method will call, when with the help of object the method will call, when method will execute, when we call the method, that only method will execute. Okay. Suppose I will run this one now, so anything will be come on the console or not? Any guesses? What output will be come to the console?
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah,
Any?
hello will be
Hello,
print.
welcome.
Hello will become how much for the hello one? There are two things. Two, Venki and the Balaji is also saying that the hello will become. Now we will see. Try to run this one. Okay. If I run this one, see, nothing is printing on the console. See,
Actually, it's before class. That's
no,
why this.
no, bro. See, I will tell you. We have created the method, but I just tell you now. When method will execute, then we call the method. When we call the method, that only our method will execute. So where we have to call. Always remember that our JVM will start execution from the main method. Okay. JVM first come with the main method. It will come here inside our program. It will come and it will see where is the main method. From the main method, it will start the execution. It will not start from the test. It will not see like here is the public void demo, then public static void main. It will not see like that. Okay, it will come to the main method directly, and whatever we write inside the main method, that it will be print. See, I will tell you the demo. System.out.println I am writing here. Okay, and after that simply I am writing here 1. Now what will be the output?
One.
1. And after that hello will be print or not?
I guess so.
No, right? See, 1 is printing. Means where JVM will come first? At the main method, not from here. It means many people thinks like our program will be start from here. No, our program will not start from here. Our program is always start from the main method. Means whatever things we will write inside the main method, that thing will be only execute. If you write anything, see, suppose I am writing here the method and I am not calling that method, so it will be not execute. So how to call the method? So to call the method, we have to create an object.
Object.
Okay, if you want to call the method, we have to create an object. So how we will create an object? So first thing we have to write is the class name. Okay, first thing we have to write is the class name. After that we have to write here the object name.
Exactly.
Obj is the object name. Okay, after that we have to write the assignment operator. Then again we have to write the class name.
New.
Okay,
New
sorry, here
keyword.
new keyword we have to write. Why we are using the new keyword? New keyword is used to create an
Creating a new
object.
object.
Okay, new keyword is used to create an object. And after that simply we have to write here class name and the parenthesis open and close and the semicolon. So which is the object here? This is the object here. This is the obj name. Okay, this is the object here. And who is responsible to create an object? That is the new keyword. New keyword is used to create an object. Okay, after that we will try to create the object of our method. Okay, so how to we will try to create an object for our class. So how we will create our object? Guide me. What we need to write first? Class name.
Demo.
Class name.
What is the name of our class?
Demo.
No.
Test.
Sorry, test.
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 Right? Test we have to write. Simply I will write here test. After that object name, anything we can write. Okay, suppose I am writing here obj also, that is fine. Suppose I am writing here java also, that is also fine. Okay, object name you can write anything, space and the anything if you write here, that is fine. You can give any name to the object. Okay, that is depend on ourselves only. Okay, so simply I am writing here the obj. After that what we need to write? That is the assignment operator.
X. Okay.
Okay, after that new keyword. New keyword is used to create an object. Okay, always remember these things. And after that class name I'm writing here is and parenthesis open and close and done. Okay, now our object is successfully created, means we successfully created our object. So what is the name of our object? That is the obj. Okay, what is the name of our object? That is the obj. Now if I call this one, and our method will call.
Yeah, bro, we can call it.
Method will call. If I run this one now, so our method will call or not?
No. We have to call the
If
object
I run this
like
one, so our method will not call. What we need to do? We have created the object here, right? What we done in this step? We have created the object. Okay, we have created the object here. Now what we need to do? Simply we have to call our method. How we will call our method? With the help of object dot simply we have to write the name of our method, object dot demo. With the help of this object we can call our method. What is the name of our method? That is the demo.
Demo.
Right, what is the name of our method? That is demo. So with the help of object we can call our method. Now if I run this one, so what will be the output? It will print
Hello.
hello. Right, simply if I run this one, so hello will be print on the console. This type we can create our method. Okay, this is the type we can create our method. So what is the syntax of our method? There is the access modifier, then return type, and then we will write the method name. Okay, this can be anything. You can write, I have write here the demo. You can write addition, you can write multiplication. If you want to add anything, and you can if you want to subtract anything, so you can give here the addition, subtraction, like that. Okay, you can give any name to the method name, and this is our object name. Here also we can give anything. Okay, if you want to call the method, how we will call? We will call the method
by
By
calling
creating
the
an object.
with the help of object. We can call the method, right? Simple. Now we will see the another thing. If I write anything inside the parenthesis, if you see here inside this one, something is there. There is the int a, int b is there. Now we will try to write this here. Okay, I'm writing here int a. Okay, simply I'm writing here the int a. Now what will be the happen? It is giving the error here. It is giving the error because this method is saying like that. If you want to call this method, that is the demo, you have to pass one integer value. What it is saying, if you want to call this demo method, you have to pass one integer value. Some simply we will come here, and here we will write here integer value. 10 is the integer value, right? Suppose I am writing here the 10, so now it is not giving any error, right? It is not giving any error. Why? Because suppose if you want to call this method, and here if we are writing anything like int a or int b or like that, no, so we have to pass that values. Suppose I am writing here string. Suppose I am writing here string. Now what we need to do? What we need to do now? Now what this method is saying, if you want to call this method, you have to pass one string value. So simply we will come here. How to write the string value? Set it double quote, right? Simply I am writing here Java. Okay. Simply I am writing here the Java. Now if I call this one, so see this method will call successfully. See, hello is printing on the console. It is not giving any error. But if I remove this one now, if I run this one now, so it will be called. It will be called or not? It will be called.
No, sir.
No, because it is giving the error, right? Object.demo, see, it is giving the error because from here we are passing the string value. Okay, here we have wrote the string. So if you write anything here, so we have to pass the value. See here I am writing string A, means we have to pass here the string value. So suppose I am writing here the Java. Now it will be not giving any error. See if I run this one, so hello will be print on the console. Suppose I am writing here the integer now. So what we need to do now? What?
Instead of Java, we need to send the numerical value.
Yes, we have to pass one integer value. Simply will come here and simply will write here the any value, the integer value. So one I am passing here. Now it will be called or not? It will be called. Hello. It will be called or not? Say anything. No, I will not say anything to you. If it is wrong also, it is okay. It will be called or not? Yes or no? You have to say.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, it will call.
Is it will call no? If I run
It
this
will
one,
call.
see hello is printing on the console. Now if I write here anything, that is the char. Now what we need to do?
Pass the character name.
Here we have to write the character name, right?
Character.
Simply I'm writing here character. This like we will write the character no inside the single quote. If I run this one, now also our hello will be print. Why we are what this one is calling and what we will call to this one. So this is called as the parameter. Okay, this is called as the parameter. Means whatever we think we will pass inside the parenthesis, that is called as the parameter. Okay, is called as the parameter. And while calling the method, if we pass anything, that is called as the argument. Okay, that is called as the argument. So which is the argument and which is the parameter here? Which is the parameter?
Sir,
In the method, it is
Char
parameter.
A is
Char
parameter.
A is a parameter. And this A
Is a
this A
or
is a
argument.
this A is
Argument.
a argument, right? Suppose I am writing here the float. Suppose I'm writing float. Sorry, float. I'm writing. So what we need to do now?
By passing
instead of
float value.
pass the float value.
Float value, right? Simply I'm writing here 1.2. So which is the parameter and which is the means argument here?
Parameter is float A and the argument is 1.2f.
1.2.
Okay, always remember that. Don't confuse between these two. Okay, many people confuse between that only. So this is the argument and this is the parameter. Many people are confused between that only. Okay, now we will try to go one step ahead. Okay, you simply will write here int a. Okay, and here from here we will pass one integer value. Now if I run this one, so it will be run. Hello will be print on the console successfully. Okay, if I write here hello, so it will be print on the hello. Now if I write here comma and up, if I write here string name. Now what we need to do?
We need to send one more argument.
We have to write the one more argument where here, right? If I write here comma and if I write here Java, it will be run now.
Yes, sir. It will execute.
Yes, sir. It will run. It will execute.
It will be executed. Don't say and sir and all. Okay, say only Tanmay. That is fine. Okay. If I write hello also, if I pass two argument this time, is what this method is saying this time. This method is saying if you want to call this method, you have to pass first integer parameter, and after that we have to pass the string parameter. That time only it will be called. If I write here again float and a, oh sorry b. Now
No, sir. We have only two arguments and three parameters.
two arguments only we have, right? We can call this one now.
No, sir. No, Tanmay.
Okay, we will try to write the float value. Okay, we have right here the integer, string, and the float. So we will try to write the this one also. That is the integer, string, and the float. Okay, so float value will write 1.2f. Okay, now if I run this one, so it will be run or not?
Run, sir.
It will be run. See,
Hello, Tanmay.
yes, bro.
So why are we using the parameters and the argument?
Sometimes in the methods we want some values from the methods.
Am I audible?
Yes, bro, you are audible.
Hello.
Sometimes we want value while calling the method. That time we are using the parameter and the argument also. From here,
Sorry.
I will show you one example. Okay, simply I will show you one example. Simple, if I write here string name, so what we will write here, what we need to do if you want to call the method, what we need to do. See here method, what this method is saying, if you want to call this method, simply you have to pass one string argument, right? String value you have to pass. So where we have to pass the string value, here, right? If I write here the any name we can take, that is the name. Okay, if I write here the value. Okay, now if I run this one, so it will be run, that is the hello. Okay, now but what happen if I write like that, what happen, since this Dinesh will be saved into this name. Okay, Dinesh value will be saved into the name. How we will check that? Simply if I write here plus and the name, now we will see what will be the output. Anyone, any guesses what will be the output? See here,
Hello, Dinesh.
hello Dinesh, right? From here Dinesh is going to the name, right? This Dinesh is going to the name, and if I write here hello plus name, so what is the value of this name? It is the Dinesh. If I write here, it is the another name I will write here, it is the Balaji. Okay, now what will be the output?
Hello, Balaji.
Right, hello
Yeah.
Balaji, because this Balaji is coming to in the name. What is the value of name now? That is the Balaji. So if I print this name, this time what will be the output? That is the hello Balaji. If I run this one, see hello Balaji, means sometimes we want the value, that's why we are using the parameter. Okay, inside the method overloading and in the method overriding we will see this concept in deep. Okay, okay bro.
So Tanmay, it's like declaring a variable, right?
Yes, no, it is not declaring variable like that. We are passing the values from here, no? So it is coming to this one inside the parameter, means whatever parameter we have, this value will be stored into that parameter and we can use that like that only. It is like a
So it's like
declaring
a
a
variable declaring only, no? Like
yes,
yeah,
initializing the variable indirectly.
yeah. Okay, sure.
Okay,
Thank you. Yeah.
okay, so this is the parameter, means if we add parameter inside the method, so what will be happen? Okay, if we write how to write the method, so first we have to write the access specifier, then return type, and then we have to write the method name, anything we can write, right? After that, if I write here the parameter, means whatever parameter we have write here, we have to pass that value while calling the method. Okay, so this is the thing. Now we will see what happen if I write here the integer or string or anything we can write, what happened this time. Okay, see if suppose I am writing here the integer, if I remove this one. Okay, now parameter also we will remove, and this thing also I will remove. Okay, now if I want to run this one, how we will run this method, how we will call that method?
Creating an object with the
Creating an
help of
Creating
object.
an
object.
object, right? Simple only. So how we will create an object? We need to write
Name,
class name, then
object,
Object name.
object name equals to
keyword,
new keyword and
class
Class
name.
Class
class
name.
name. What is the name of the class? etc. Right? And if you want to call that method, how we will call object dot
Object code.
name, right? But this method is giving error. Why this method is giving error? Because in the return type we have wrote here the integer. Okay, inside in the return type we have wrote here the integer. So what we need to do, if I write here the integer, so we have to return the integer value. Inside the return type I have wrote here the integer, no? So you have to return the any integer value. Simple, I am writing here return and I am writing here 10. What is this method is doing now? It is returning the 10 value from here. If I write integer, we have to return the integer value. Suppose if I write here the string, so what we need to do, we have to return the string value. How we will return the string value? Simply inside the double quote we will write anything. That's the Java I am writing this time. Okay, if I run this one also, so nothing will print on the console. See, because this method is now having this Java, this demo is having the Java. So how we will print that? Simply we have to print that, how simply we have to call this method inside the system.out.println object.bring. If I now run this method, see Java is printing on the console. If I write here integer, means now what we need to do, It is giving the error.
Int value in place of
We have to return the value, right? So which value we have to return? That is the
Integer value.
inside the return type. What we write, that is the int. Suppose we have to write here the. So now what will be the output?
10.
10.
If I run this one, put on the console. So JVM will come here. How it will work? So JVM will come here into our program. We will see the main method. So where is our main method? Here. From here our method is started. Right? It will see we have created the object. After that, what it is saying, that is system.out.println means we have to print something on the console. It will see object.demo. It will see the demo method inside the test. Which class object is this one? It's the test class, right? It will see demo method inside this test class. So where is the demo method? Here is the demo method. What this method is having? The 10, because we are returning the 10 from here. No. So what is the value of this demo method now? Is it 10? If we are printing this object.demo, it is printing 10 on the console. This time, suppose I am writing here the character. What we need to do?
Instead of 10, we need to write
Instead
a
of
character.
10, we need to replace it with some character.
Right. How to write the character? Inside the single quote.
Right.
Inside the single quote, we have to write. Now, what will be the output?
Yeah.
This one, A will be printed on the console. Okay. Now A is printing on the console. Same like that, if you want to create a many method also, you can create a method. With the help of parameter also, we can create a method. If you want to return anything, we can return. Means if you want to return now, I want to return the integer. Simply I can write int here and I can return the integer value. Suppose I want to write some parameter, means while calling the method, I want to pass some values. That time I can write here the some parameter and I can return that. Right, means I can pass this value in that and I can use that also. Right, I showed you, like hello Bharat, hello Balaji, like that we can use that also. So same like that, you also have to create a methods, like one addition method, one subtraction method in the one class only. Inside the one class only, you have to create a 4 methods, like for the division, for the multiplication, addition, and the subtraction, and you have to pass the values from the in the argument. Okay, from the argument you have to pass the values and you have to calculate that all the things. Okay, try to do that. If you have any issues now, you can ask me. Okay, you can stay here only, because it is lots of, means you have to practice these things. If you practice this, means this is the basic only. No, if you practice this much, means this clearly, no, so you can able to understand many concepts like that also. Okay, like static also, and all the things I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, anyone have any doubt here? Hello? Anyone have any doubt?
We are good, sir.
Okay. So till now we learn about what are the methods, what is mean the parameter, and what is the return type. We saw that. We will firstly learn slowly. Okay, and after that we will take some speed. Okay. So first it is basic, no? So we have to learn, means in this slowly also. Okay. After that we can take the speed. Okay, so this thing you have to do that, this assignment you have to do that, and you have to submit on the group. Okay, so thank you for your time, guys.
Tanmay,
Yes, bro.
Tanmay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please take the attendance for whoever is attending online classes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, if anybody missing, we will see them.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask on the group also, or you can ping me also. Okay, that's it for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye.
Varun? Vinay and Varun.